Hey y'all, y'all are in for a treat today. We're going to have so much fun because we went to the feed mill in Nolensville and we're going to take you along. We made a great video there of all the wonderful things that they had. And whenever I was thinking about it, I knew that this was going to be our video for the day, and how perfect it is because they have so many Amish products, some from the Mennonites as well, and some from their own kitchen. And I'm just telling you, if you visit Nashville, you need to take that little trek up. It's not very far at all. It's in Nolensville, a beautiful community that's just growing in leaps and bounds, and you'll be happy that you did. One thing that we got was some sourdough bread. We love sourdough bread. This is made by the Amish, and I thought how perfect, because what I was going to show you today is this roast beef sandwich that we have been having forever and we love. And so what you do is, whenever I was younger, they had a mustard that was onion and mustard, just like yellow mustard, ballpark mustard. And it was so good. And I always kept it in our pantry, and we just loved it. And then they stopped making it. So I came up with this idea because, a lot of people don't like to bite down on an onion, but they love the flavor because, just so much flavor. So I started just grating some onion in the mustard. And this is just a little shallot. If you have Vidalia onions, that's wonderful to use too because they're kind of sweet. And shallot has just a very mild and pleasant taste as well. And so anyway, here we go with our yellow mustard, and then I thought we'd do some Creole mustard too, so that we could make a Cajun roast beef sandwich. So you just blend that together. I have it down on my board. You blend that together. Now we're going to blend the Cajun mustard with the grated onion. And you can smell it. It just smells so delicious. And this is great for the summer because you can take it to the pool, on a picnic, ball games, or just whatever you're doing. And seriously, y'all, then all you do is make your sandwich. So I'm going to put a little bit of Dana Dash in our Cajun mustard. Make it a little spicy. And then we just make our sandwiches. So I did toast one part of the bread, and you literally just spread your mustard on it. And remember, whenever you're making a sandwich and you're spreading any kind of condiment on, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever, peanut butter, jelly, spread it from one corner to the next. Make sure that you get all the corners, and that way every bite will be the same. Y'all, oh my gosh, this just brings me back so much because I used to just love this. And I'm so happy that I just started making it. I didn't just give up because it's so delicious. So I just got some deli meat, roast beef from the deli at my grocery store. And we're going to pile it up. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We love roast for sure. I make my mama's roast in the crock pot a lot, but I don't always get deli roast beef except for the sandwich. So it is delicious. And now we'll make our Cajun one. And so once again, we just spread it on. And all this means is that, Creole mustard, you could call it a Creole sandwich, just has a whole lot of flavor, like any of the brown mustards do. And they just have, I think that they have some celery salt and mustard seed in them, and it just makes them so flavorful as far as making a sandwich with it. So here we go. Put our roast beef on it. And then what we're going to do is, you can always dress it as well. And dressing a po' boy or a sandwich in Louisiana just simply means lettuce and tomato, and usually shredded lettuce. I didn't have any today, so we're just going to use tomato. And we're going to also use some dill pickles. We're going to use those on both sandwiches. I don't know what it is, y'all, but dill pickles just add so much to a sandwich. You know, all the chicken sandwiches that are so famous, they all have dill pickles, if you've noticed. So they are yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me move this aside. So I'll save that little bit of mustard because it's got that great onion flavor in it, and we will enjoy it for sure. Here's my shallot. See, I only used just like 1/4 of a shallot. Pretty good, huh? Okay, and so here are our sandwiches. They're so beautiful and yummy, and we'll taste this one. So I'm just going to cut them in half. And you know, another thing that I do sometimes, especially in the summertime, is I'll make several of these sandwiches. And, well, you'll see on the video. After we play this video, we're going to play the video from the feed mill. And you will find it so interesting because they just have so much stuff. And we just had such a delightful time out there. But anyway, I'll make up several sandwiches, and I'll either wrap them individually or put them on a platter and put them in the fridge in the summertime. And that way, they're just easy to grab. They're easy to grab to go to the pool or a ball game or a picnic outside your backyard. It just makes it convenient. So here are our sandwiches. I wanted to show you too this fun t-shirt. And this guy's hair, you'll see, is so cute. And he says, come say hi to the feed mill, Nolensville.Feed Mill.com if you want to look them up. It's in Nolensville, Tennessee. So anyway, let's give this a taste and see how we like it. Look at that, y'all. So pretty, huh? Good. This sourdough bread is so tasty. Just so good. Simple and delicious. And I think you're going to love it. So stay tuned for our little visit to the feed mill in Nolensville, Tennessee. It's about 20 minutes from here. Bon appetit, y'all.
You got it? Okay, come on. I'm the female guy. Do I look good? Hair okay? No, I'm just kidding.
Perfect.
Come on.
Guy Fieri would be jealous.
Come on. Come on now.
Oh my
We're gonna
goodness,
start
y'all,
right
look
here.
at this.
This refrigerator right here. This is our chicken salad that we're famous for right here.
You are
We have
indeed.
a grape pecan and a cranberry pecan. That's our pimento cheese. We have a jalapeno and a regular. We make that in-house. We have our everything dip, which is basically like a loaded baked potato and a dip. You can put it on a baked potato even.
There you go.
Whatever you want. Carrot sticks, the whole deal. We have an amazing macaroni salad here that we make in-house. We have an amazing potato salad. Yes, with real Duke's mayonnaise. No sweet dressing kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Really good stuff. Sour cream, all that good stuff.
Southern all the way.
That's it. And then right here, we have some of our white cheddar mac and cheese, and that's some of our pulled pork barbecue sauce and a sweet sauce. And then right here are bigger containers of basically what I explained over there. So if you don't want an 8 ounce, you get the 16 ounce.
And some people come and eat lunch. They
Yeah,
get it out
they
the,
do.
yeah.
Or look at right out that window. Point that out there.
My.
Or they come and sit out in the back by the creek.
Oh
See
my
that?
goodness,
Okay.
that is so fun.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Come on over here. See all this produce in here? I get this from the Amish.
Okay. And
Yeah.
from Etheridge or from north of
No, I
us?
get it up from up in Kentucky.
Yeah.
All this is $1 a piece. People
Oh
love
my
this. They can
goodness.
come in and they just grab whatever they want. It's $1 each, and they're happy with that price. It's incredible.
Oh yeah.
Let's go back this way for a minute.
Okay.
Come on. These are all of our jar goods. We have everything from hot tomato relishes, corn relishes, to pickles.
It's chow chow. See?
Yeah, look at these. Jalapeno
Oh, and pickled eggs.
Yeah, we got a ghost pepper, jalapeno, banana pepper. We've got a bunch of them. We've
Okay.
got a bunch of pickles too. Look at those. You got everything from ghost pepper pickles to sweet hot dill pickles. And dill
Pickled
pickles
beets,
there.
I see up there.
Yeah, pickled beets. Those are a big deal. Oh,
Okay.
let's go over here.
Right.
These are our jams.
Oh my
We have
goodness.
tons of these. Everything from banana strawberry to strawberry jalapeno. We even have some of our Christmas jam that we sell at Christmas, but we sell it all year round. That's
And what does it
strawberry.
taste like?
It's strawberry and cranberry. So you get the you get the tartness of the cranberry, and then you get the sweetness of the strawberry. It's
Boy, what a
incredible.
plan.
These right here are sugar-free jams
Oh, wow.
that have these on there. They're sweetened with white grape juice instead of granulated sugar. So anything with a green label, that's what you get.
So tell me again what they're sweetened with.
White grape juice instead of granulated sugar.
Genius.
Yeah.
Okay.
Incredible. So that's what some of that is. You see we have the beautiful peaches down there.
Oh, my.
We have a little sampling station here too, so you can come in and sample some of these jams, which
Okay.
you'll be able to get to pretty shortly here. Yeah.
Now, tell me about frog, F-R-O-G.
Fig, raspberry, orange, and ginger. Here, I'm going to hold that. You're going to take a bite of it.
All right.
Yeah, grab one of those crackers if you want. If you don't want it, just get some frog jam and stick it on there. Yeah, get a good amount of that on there. There you go. Look at you. All right.
Burst with flavor.
Yeah, and you know what's really great about that? You put that on cream cheese, like a jalapeno pepper or something like that. It's still good. Some people put that on a pork loin, and they roast it into that. So you got the fig, raspberry, orange, and ginger.
I love
That's
it.
incredible, isn't it?
So good.
All right,
Okay.
come on. Say hi to everybody in your blog. Does anybody know who this lady is right here? I'm just kidding. Oh, look at it. She's got that shirt. Look at that. Okay. So you got a lot more over here, and I'm going to let you kind of like explore around.
Okay. Now tell me about these flags.
So these flags are embroidered. They're not like nylon. They're a nice thick material, and they're all embroidered on there. And they're
Amazing.
sadly, people have opened up out of the bags over there, so they kind of sell these that are opened up at a good price.
So you can get anything here.
You can get a lot of things. But, a grocery store, a specialized grocery store, you see
Right.
all these little yeast rolls and everything
Yes.
down here. People get our chicken salad. We sell tons of those yeast rolls.
Oh, and you have Hatcher Farms Dairy
Yeah.
Milk?
Yeah, and these right here, look at these. These are our fried pies.
Oh,
People
my
go
goodness,
crazy
my
over
goodness,
these
my
things.
goodness.
I can't wait for you to have one of those.
I cannot wait.
Yeah, there's lots of flavors too. Blueberry chocolate, peaches and cream, strawberry cream cheese, blueberry, blackberry apple.
You know, I'm from Louisiana. I was born in Louisiana.
Okay.
And fried pies speak my language.
Well, I'll tell you what, you're going to be speaking one today, so I'll give you one.
Oh, good. Okay,
All
thank
right?
you. All righty.
Yeah, look at this back here.
Okay, we're going around to show you some of the
These are our
dry
noodles.
goods.
Noodles. All these Amish made noodles.
Oh my goodness!
Here's all of
And
our
bread.
baked goods. Yeah.
I'm telling y'all, this Amish bread is so good. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have your rosemary garlic up here. We have your jalapeno cheddar. We have sourdough. We have your wheat, your white. And then, we got all these seasonings over here. See these little jars of the $3.99 each.
Okay.
And you get a nice choice of those. Those are for the doggies. Those little treats
Aw.
right there. Those are all natural.
Okay.
Super good.
He loves doggies like we do.
I love them. Yeah. We have these chicken pot pies, these beef pot pies. Those are from some Amish up in Pennsylvania.
And this is right
That's
here.
from local. That's from Chapel Hill. That's Nash Family Creamery.
Oh gosh, they're great.
Yeah.
Oh, I
And here's
love
these
that.
meals that we sell from a Mennonite guy named Stoltzfus. He
Okay.
makes those. Yeah, we know they make good breads, and we know they make good jams and jellies, but who knew they'd make a great shrimp Alfredo fettuccine. And this right here is just kind of like a spillover of some other stuff this is our freezer. And so people like to buy things
Like
out of the
desserts,
freezer,
right.
but we have a lot that are thawed out and ready to go right here.
Okay, so I'm looking at this sorghum
Yeah.
and blackstrap molasses. You can, that's hard to find.
Yeah.
And here is honey with the comb inside,
Yeah.
which is a special treat.
We have that. Then we have our local honey, which is all this stuff right here.
Okay.
Yeah. And then here's our famous cinnamon rolls. We're
Oh, my
known for our
goodness.
cinnamon rolls.
Yeah,
These-
they are very famous for their cinnamon
These
rolls.
right here. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we have them under maple as well. And then we have lots of cookies and lots of...
And all these rolls, y'all, I'm telling y'all, these rolls are so good.
Yeah, your yeast rolls are doughy and soft and yeasty. You can't
And
beat
so
it.
here you can order a sandwich
Yeah.
and get it for lunch.
Yeah. Yeah, these guys right here will take good care of you. They don't look like it, but they will. No, I'm just teasing you. I'm just teasing you.
And then they also have, let's see,
Yeah,
where's your bacon
Amish
from?
butter.
That's what I came for, actually.
We got
Believe it
that
or
butter
not.
up there, that roll butter.
Mhm.
We have all these beautiful eggs from Milo's Poultry Farms. That's another Mennonite farm. We got tons of bacon. We got lots of cheeses up there, cheese curds.
And where's your bacon from?
It's all from Ohio, from the Mennonites.
Okay, wow.
Walnut Creek. Walnut
Okay,
Creek,
y'all.
Ohio.
So if y'all are visiting Nashville, Nolensville is not very far. I live about 20 minutes away, and we came specifically for the butter.
Yes, specifically for the butter.
Yes.
Anyway, if you ever want to get your hair to look like this, just put your fingers in a light socket. No, don't do that. I'm just teasing you. Don't do that. Kids, contain your family. But yeah, I appreciate you coming in today.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for giving me a tour. Usually,
Yeah.
I haven't ever had the tour before.
Well, good.
So I
I'm
appreciate
glad
it.
I was here today.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.